The Gypsy Love Spell Kit, a treasure trove of mystical promise, invites the curious to embark on a journey of heart and spirit. As I unboxed the kit, the first thing that struck me was the vibrant array of candles, each color representing a different facet of love, from passion to friendship. The delicate glass vials of essential oils, infused with scents like rose and sandalwood, beckoned with their alluring fragrance. Incense sticks, their earthy aroma wafting through the air, added an ethereal quality to the experience. Nestled among these items were the beautifully illustrated instructions, guiding the practitioner through the intricate dance of intention and energy. Performing the love spell was an enlightening ritual. I lit the candles, focusing on my intentions, visualizing the love I wished to attract. The act of anointing the candles with oils felt sacred, a connection to something greater than myself. I chanted the words provided, each syllable resonating with my desires. It was a reminder that the energy we put into the universe can shape our realities, though results may vary. I approached the ritual with respect, mindful of the power it held. Delving into Romani's spiritual traditions revealed a rich tapestry of beliefs surrounding love and connection. These rituals, steeped in history, reflect a cultural understanding of the heart's complexities. My personal journey with the Gypsy Love Spell Kit was transformative. I sought to deepen my understanding of self-love, and through the process, I discovered that the most profound connections often begin within. Comparing the Gypsy Love Spell Kit to others on the market highlighted its unique blend of authenticity and cultural significance. While many kits exist, few offer the depth of tradition and intention found here. Engaging with experts in Romani traditions further illuminated the ethical considerations surrounding love spells. Consent and free will are paramount, reminding us that love cannot be forced. To enhance the experience, I incorporated creative visualization exercises, focusing on self-love and openness to new relationships. I encouraged others to share their stories, creating a community of shared experiences. Ultimately, the Gypsy Love Spell Kit is more than just a collection of tools. It is an invitation to explore the heart's desires with respect, mindfulness, and an understanding of the rich traditions that guide us.